Welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel Chempedia. Now in this particular topic, I am telling about the introductory part about organic chemistry. Now in the previous topic, we all know about the organic chemistry, that it comes from the natural product. Now in this topic, I am telling about the basic organic chemistry. Okay. Now as the previous part, we have already known about the cinchona plant. Now, in order to know the basic organic chemistry, we have to know about the three parts of organic chemistry. There are three types of molecule in organic chemistry. One is alkane, and another is alkene, and the third one is alkyne. Now, what about these three parts? And first discuss about the alkane. Right, alkane. Now what about alkane? Alkane, it is the normal formula CnH2n. It means here the C denotes the carbon, the C denotes about the carbon, and the H denotes about the hydrogen molecule. Okay. Now what about the N? Now N is an integer. N is an integer. It always be even. It can't be odd. Okay. Remember this. It can't be odd. It always must be even. Now CnH2n. Suppose let us tell that the first thing is C2 C3H6. Okay, C3H6. C3H6 means CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Right. This type of compound is called alkene compound. Alkene. Like, and this configuration is for alkene only. I am telling about the alkane. Okay. Now in case of alkane, there is no double bond. Right. That in alkene there is one double bond, and in alkyne there is one triple bond. Right, one triple bond. Now in case of alkane, there are no unsaturation is present. Now what about unsaturation? Like, if we know that if there is any double or triple bond, it is called unsaturation. Now if we want to break this, then we have to use dilute alkaline KMnO4. Remember this, a dilute alkaline KMnO4 is required to break the unsaturation. Okay. Now come to the topic about the alkane. Here is alkane. These are the brief idea about alkane, alkene, alkyne, and this is for the general formula of alkene. General formula of alkene. Now let's come over the alkane. Now what is our alkane? Alkane means methane. Right, methane, that is called alkane. Let's suppose there is no double bond. Now in case of methane, if you look at the structure, that is CH, 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 and CH. That means there are the four hydrogens are in the tetra. It normally possesses tetrahedral structure. Right, it possesses a tetrahedral structure. That's like, it's called tetrahedral or pyramidal structure. It's called pyramidal structure. Pyramidal structure. It is all about the methane. Now if we see the bond, that is, if we see the carbon atom, it is nothing but it contains some of the four hydrogens. Then here coordination number, the coordination number of carbon equals to 4. So because there contains 4 hydrogen, that is, it can carry 4 ligands. Okay. Now if we see about the carbon, we all know that the atomic number of carbon is 6. Okay. atomic number of carbon is 6. And if we in the previous class we know about the general inorganic and organic chemistry. Now in case of carbon, if we know about the electronic configuration, we can say that it contains 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Okay, now here the 2s and 2p2 are the valence shell. Okay, it contains 4 electrons. That's why the 2s 2 plus 2 means 4, means valence is 4, hence the coordination number of carbon is 4. Okay, now if we tell about the hydrogen, where is hydrogen? Here. If we tell about the hydrogen, we all know that hydrogen is, this is normal hydrogen. The hydrogen has 3 isotopes. We all know that hydrogen has 3 isotopes. One is hydrogen 1H1, second one is deuterium 1H2, and third one is tritium, that is 1T3. Now what about this 3? I have written there the 1H1. Now what does 2 1 signifies? Okay, the first one signifies whether the denominator signifies about the atomic number, and the upper one signifies about the atomic weight. Now I will discuss in the next class about this. Now comes to this point, that is there is 4, the valency is 4. Okay, since the valency is 4, it can coordinate to 4 ligands. Okay, now if we call about the alkene. Now in the I have already said that alkene has 1 double bond. Okay, 1 double bond, like CH3 CH double bond CH2. What about this? It is called propene. It is called propene. Propene means 1 carbon atom, 1 carbon, 3 carbon, like C3H 3 plus 4 plus 2, C3H6, like the formula CnH2n. Okay, that here the main question is. Now if we talk about the alkyne, okay, alkyne, and I have already told that it has 1 triple bond, like we know about acetylene, that is C2H2. It has HC triple bond CH. So here is the triple bond. Okay, and now if we compare to alkene and alkyne, now if you want to let's see about some parameters. Okay, suppose the bond dissociation energy. Now what about bond dissociation energy? Bond dissociation energy is something that is, if suppose there is one is alkane, which is CH4, that is it has 4 hydrogens, but 4 single bonded hydrogens. Okay, it has 4 single bonded hydrogens, and the second one is C3H6, that is propene. That is 3 single bond, sorry, 4 single bond and 1 double bond. That is alkyne. Sorry, that is alkene. Okay, and the third one is C2H2, which is called alkyne. That is, it has 1 triple bond. Right? Now if we see about the CH4, it has only single bond. That is, the bond dissociation energy increases in the order here. That is, the CH4 is the lowest bond dissociation energy. That is CH4 less than C3H6 less than C2H2. It is the bond dissociation energy order. Okay, bond dissociation energy order. Now what about this? That is, bond dissociation energy order means the how much strain the bond is. Okay, now it is how much strain the bond is. Now I am telling you about all the things about the general concepts. Okay, now I will discuss in the back in the previous in the next class. Okay, so thank you. If you like my channel, please do love, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.